the gate shut, get them around the back. We need the marshals for the last race. Righto. Come on, where's our marshals? 1, 2, 3, righto, all good. Is number 20 moving? Is this one okay? Oh. Go hard, can we have full start on 26? Yes, you'll find it. I want a slow start, no passing. Right, let's roll. Back it off a bit. Come on. Messi. No. Restart. That's exactly what I didn't want. Right. Right, when that happens again, I'm going to pick the cars that cause it. This is the last one, your last free ride. Restart, come around. Right, now slow it down and a nice start, go. Hold it, right. Car 124, you're at the back. You caused a whole lot of that. The rest is back around for a restart. No cutting the field. Bunch them up properly. Right, let's go slowly. Back it up. Righto. That's it. I'm going to leave that one alone, that was just right. Okay Brad, you go to the back. That was just unlucky, I think. Too many cars in one area. Okay, restart. Bit more space. Hey, hang on, he's on the track. You guys, look out for the guy on the track. You've all just whizzed past him. Right, stop. Whoa. Why are these cars on the inside like that? You don't drive up the inside. Move them out a bit. 124, there's no way you're up there. Right, the rest of you, higher on the outside. Line up properly. You're all trying to cut the track. Right, now let's roll. Alright, back to the start. I know, I've already called him. Right, hang on. Right, from now on it's a warning who's causing them. I need this tidier. Right, line them up over here neatly and not on the inside of the track. After this one it will be, okay? Where are you? Whereabouts are you? First? Right, we'll go out a little bit more. I'll let you go up a bit. Which one are you now? The first one? Right. Now let them get away with it, you guys. You're not going to win it by the time you get to me. Right, roll around. Let them go. Let's go. Right, no moving while Brian's on the track. You're going to have a new order.
Alrighty, out of 1 there'll be Robert Kite, 2 Stephen Kite, 3 Michael Kite, 4 Chris Moy, 5 Brad Sermon, 6 Tony Atkinson, 7 Steve Nicklin, 8 Peter Kite, 9 Kate Rowan, 10 Scott Laxton, 11 Repatari. Anyone who calls the rear to the rear. Anyone who calls the Atkins to the rear.
Righto, hang on, righto, wait. Righto, want a clean getaway, let's go. They have a new race order when he's off the track. Now half you guys are spinning out because you're too low on this corner and you're all in the dry stuff.
Alrighty, out of 1 will be Robert Kite, 2 Stephen Kite, 3 Michael Kite, 4 Chris Moy, 5 Brad Sermon, 6 Steve Nicklin, 7 Tony Atkinson, 8 Cade Braun, 9 Peter Kite, 10 Robert Curry and 11 Scott Laxton, whoever caused the accident to the rear.
Righto, let's go. That black one, back off a bit. Pushing up the back. Bad luck, Brad. New order coming up. You guys feel free to back off a bit when you're trying to pass someone, eh? This is getting a little bit messy. It's rough on the other cars. Got that order?
One Robert Kite, 2 Stephen Kite, 3 Michael Kite, 4 Chris Moy, 5 Brad,
single file,
5 Stephen Nicklin, 7 Tony Atkinson, 8 Peter Kite, 9 Scott Laxton, 10 Robert Curry, and Katie Braun. Then
let's space them out, single file. Stop nudging up. Yeah, where's that black car going out the outside? Alright, righto, away we go. Come on, no nudging up. That way we go. Just got a warning for that, cutting the track. Hold it. That's it, it's called over.